If you're in China and Quest Link, the thread USB connection between my Meta Quest headset and PC isn't working, the most frequent culture is a network restriction or VPN related interference, especially due to the Great Firewall blocking unnecessary Oculus meta services for recovery and connection. Key causes and fixes. First, VPN interfering with guest link discovery. VPN routed through your PC or headset can block network discovery process and require the Quest link even for USB connections. A more reliable approach is to install the VPN on your router so the entire local network, including Quest and PC, communicates natively without interruption. Second, use a VPN and enable router or proper hotspot setup. Many users in China report success by using a home router with VPN capacity to bypass firewall restrictions across devices. Alternatively, some have used a smartphone or a VPN hotspot, although results are mixed. Third, cable and USB port stability and matters too. Ensure you're using a high quality USB 3 cable, the official Questlink cable or a reputable third party one, and plug it into a stable powered port, preferably on the back of your PC. Some combos of cables and ports simply may not work. Fourth, additional standards troubleshooting steps. Update graphic drivers, or repair and reinstall Oculus PC and drivers, or disable public test channels, the PTC, or restart headset and PC, or console discovery workaround. Within the Quest settings, toggle Air Link on, then off. This sometimes forces Link to reappear. And if the issue still persists, you have to go to the Meta support and ask them this question and see how you can solve it with them. And that's it.